Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let me close this out here. Make sure everything's a go. Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, sounds good to me. All right, all right. Good morning, folks from all around the world. Ontarian here, the passive income guru. And guys, I'm excited. I'm excited. So I'm going to go ahead and get right into this. And let me share my screen so you guys can see what I'm seeing, okay? Let me share my screen so that you can see what I'm seeing. So good morning to everybody, or good afternoon, or good evening. No matter where you are in the world, I want to welcome you to this video. And guys, I'm very excited because Bitcoin is skyrocketing. Okay, it is massively moving. Since yesterday, check this out. Since yesterday, it's grown over $585. That is phenomenal. Okay, that is phenomenal. So I'm going to give you three ways, a minimum of 3 ways on how to take advantage of Bitcoin. A lot of people are not understanding Bitcoin, and that's okay. You don't have to understand everything all together. Here's what I recommend that you do, though. If you want to fully understand it, like from top to bottom, where it came from, all the logistics, all the mathematical equations. Well, not necessarily the mathematical equations, because that's too complicated. But if you want to understand Bitcoin in a nutshell, last night my wife and I, we pulled up on Fire Stick. We pulled up several Bitcoin documentaries. Okay, and if you have Netflix, if you have a Fire Stick, just search for Bitcoin and go look at the documentaries. It's really going to give you more of a breakdown of what it's all about. And I've been watching this currency. It's a digital currency. The reason it is so popular, guys, is because, first of all, it is not regulated. It's decentralized, and there is no entity that is controlling Bitcoin. Okay, it is a peer-to-peer opportunity. It's a peer-to-peer digital currency. So I can go to my cell phone right now. And I can send my wife, which I've done several times, some Bitcoin at the flash of a second. Okay, that's how robust it is. And what's happening is a lot of businesses are catching on to the wave. Now they're bringing Bitcoin inside of their shops, inside of their place of business. And people, it's convenient. Okay, anything that you can make convenient in someone's life, it's going to be a big deal. Okay, so I want to go ahead and get into it now. I want to also tell you this. Yesterday I did a video talking about the 4 phases of passive income. Please do me a favor. Make sure you go back and watch that. It's going to set the ground floor for what I'm going to be talking about in the weeks to come. Okay, it's basically going to be breaking down everything I'm doing and kind of give you ideas of how to get set up in an online business. Okay. Secondly, phase two is all about passive income streams, and mostly in the form of Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, etc., etc. So the beauty of phase 2 also is I have systems set up that explains everything. Okay, I have systems set up that explains everything. So I'm going to, when this video is over, okay, I'm going to have links below this video where you can get more information and getting signed up for the programs I'm going to mention briefly. Okay, now 3 ways to take advantage of Bitcoin. Number 1, you can buy it and hold it. Okay, What does that mean? Well, right now, I am inside of Coinbase. Coinbase is a Bitcoin wallet where you can house Bitcoin, okay? You can buy it, you can sell it, okay? Buy it means you're going to actually buy it from, usually your bank account, and you're going to have it here in Coinbase. And what happens is if you have bought Bitcoin this week, you would have profited over $1,100, okay? Just to give you an idea. So you can buy it and you can hold it, okay? A lot of people are doing that, okay? A lot of people are doing that. Let's see, a month. So in a month, you would have made this much, okay? So now we're over $7,000. I tell you what, I believe, and some people are saying a year, 2 years. I believe that this hot commodity is going to be 10,000 or more. Maybe by next year, maybe by January, but for sure next year, I believe that wholeheartedly. Okay, so the first way to take advantage of it is to buy it. Set you up a Coinbase account, and there's a system. One of the systems that I'm involved with is called Easy Passive Profits. Okay, it's going to take you by the hand. It's going to show you step by step how to set things up, okay? It's going to show you step by step how to set up a Coinbase wallet, how to fund it, okay? And then we're going to get into the programs, a couple of programs that are recommended inside of this particular system, okay? Don't worry, I'm going to leave a link to this particular opportunity, this particular system below the video after I'm done, okay? So again, the first way to do is to buy it and hold it. The second opportunity or second way to take advantage of Bitcoin is to actually trade it, okay, or cryptocurrency is to get into the business of trading. Now, me personally, I don't trade it yet. I'm going to probably start doing it very soon because I've done Forex trading, okay, so I'm used to looking at charts and trends and pullbacks and retracements and a bullish market, a bearish market. I'm used to that terminology. I'm used to those type of strategies. Okay, so I'm probably going to be trading it soon. But me personally, since I like completely passive, I have other opportunities where your cryptocurrency is going to be traded for you. Okay, going to be traded for you. So that's another way to take advantage of it. Okay, that's number two. And now this is all in phase 2 of my entire business model. This is all in phase 2 of my entire business model. The third way, and probably my favorite way to take advantage of Bitcoin, is to invest it in an opportunity to grow more Bitcoin. Okay. Now you can diversify. You can actually buy it and hold it. You can trade it, and you can do what I just said last, which is invest in it, and grow more Bitcoin. Okay. So that's it in a nutshell. Now, I'm going to be focusing on my favorite way. My favorite way was to invest in Bitcoin because I want to grow more Bitcoin. And the more Bitcoin we grow, okay, the more you're going to make, and the more everybody's going to be happy, the more you can share with other people, educate other people. That's what it's all about in the end, okay? So let me go to my drawing board real quick. The first system that I just showed you right here covers, and I'm going to talk about these companies at a different, on a different day, okay? Different days, but I'm just going to hit the highlights. The first draw here. That's the 101 right there. Okay. So the first system, this system that I just showed you right here, is going to cover 2 programs. It's going to cover 2, and that's an ugly U right there. That's a U, guys. That's a U. It's going to cover USI Tech, and it's going to cover another program called BitConnect. All right. Now, the other thing I will do as well, if you just want information on USI Tech, I'm going to leave a separate link below this video as well, just about USI Tech, okay? But why not have the best of both worlds and diversify, or have the potential to diversify, where USI Tech is going to be talked about here, and BitConnect. It's going to show you, in this system, it's going to show you step-by-step how to get set up as well and how to get funded in your Bitcoin account, okay? All right. The second system I'm going to put below outlines another one of my other favorite programs, Futurenet. I've been with Futurenet over 1.5 years. Futurenet. I cannot draw today, guys. My apologies. That's an N. Futurenet and Swiss Go Global. I'm not going to draw that out because it's kind of long. Swiss Go Global. So every day, guys, look, I'm making passive income from this company. Been doing that for over 1.5 years. I'm getting daily payouts right now because of mining. And again, I've done several videos on both of these guys, but I really want to drive it home. And I want you guys to understand what is going on here, what we have here, okay? I'm making great passive income with Swiss Go Global, getting automatic payouts to my Bitcoin wallet every single day, like clockwork. Every single day I'm getting paid. I'm getting paid every 15 minutes right here from Futurenet and USI Tech. These are my 2 brand new babies right here, okay? So I'm building these up right now. But these 2, solid as a rock. All of this is solid. I've done my thorough research, as I always do. Thorough research. Make sure I make the right decisions, not just for me, but for everybody who decides to join with me. I want to make the right decision at all times, okay? So that's it in a nutshell, guys. Do not wait. And you know what? On that documentary that I saw last night, one of the ladies, she was like, I think at the time, Bitcoin was like not even $400. And the guy was trying to say, hey, buy Bitcoin now. He was out in New York City and they was having this big campaign. And he was like, buy Bitcoin now. And the lady said, hey, I like this better. She held up a $1 bill. She said, I like this better. And he told her, I made more money in my Bitcoin wallet than those dollar bills. And the lady said, well, come back to me in 1 year and we'll see where Bitcoin is. Guess who's laughing now? I tell you what, this is phenomenal, guys. This is going to help a lot of people financially. If you don't understand it all, please do not let that worry you. I always say invest now, okay? Invest now and earn while you learn. That's my motto. Invest now, earn while you learn. Okay, so that's what you want to do. So I want to leave a link below the video here after I'm done for the combination of USI Tech and BitConnect, and then the other system is for the combination of Swiss Go Global and Futurenet. Okay, and I have other programs. Okay, dealing with Bitcoin as well. I'll be talking about those. Phase 2 is probably going to be, because this morning I did a Facebook Live, and I'm going to be uploading that video as well. I did a Facebook Live talking about phase 1 and the first company of phase 1. So I'm going to be on phase 1 for the rest of the week, maybe going into next week, and then we're going to go to phase 2, which is probably going to take the longest, and then we're going to go to phase 3. After I'm done with all the phases, you will understand my complete business model, and I want to help you get set up along the way if you're open to it, okay? So thank you guys for watching. And let me just see here. 1 second, guys. And leave me a couple of comments. Where are you guys from? Where are you guys from? What are you looking to get out of Bitcoin, or are you invested in Bitcoin? That is what I want to know. Okay. So take care, guys. Let me go ahead and stop this here. Take care. Thanks for tuning in once again. and we'll see you at the top. The links are going to be below this video here in a little bit. So give me a little time for the video to propagate and everything, and I'll get that on there. Okay. So take care, guys. God bless. We'll talk to you soon.